Hi Tanuja, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much, Tanuja, for asking. Tanuja, this is a feedback call. Um, First of all, congratulations, you have got placed.
Yes.
How is it going? How were the sessions? How was the overall support? And how is everything now? Have you joined already? Have you started the work, or what is your joining date?
Yes, ma'am. I've already joined. It's been already 3 weeks. I joined on October 22nd. After my interview, I got the joining date. So they wanted an immediate joiner. So they asked me to join the next day. So I've joined, and it's going on good. The work is very good. I like the culture there.
And how was the training experience with CliniLaunch?
Yes, ma'am, it was good. Since it was online, I did not have much time to interact with trainers, but still, all the trainers were very friendly, were very good in training. So I like the overall training. I got much to learn from the subjects because those all subjects were new to me, other than my academic qualification. So it was very easy to me to learn, and even the placement support and all, it was very good. They were all supportive. Whenever I call them, whenever I message them, they used to reply me very early. They supported me, everyone. And thank you for that for CLRI.
Thank you so much, Tanuja. It is wonderful to know your experience. Where have you joined, and what is the nature of the work?
I have joined in Nesa Medtech as clinical research associate. I always wanted to join there. Earlier also I have attended the same interview, but I was not ready for immediate joining, so they did not take me. But this time when I was selected, I was very happy that I was placed there. And even the work culture there, work environment, it is very good. It was what I expected, because I had already 2 years of experience in molecular connections. I did not want that work culture here because it was very monotonous job. I wanted something in the clinical research domain. So what I expected, I got the same from Nesa Medtech. So I'm happy to be placed there.
Thank you so much, Tanuja. Um, it is amazing to know you and to your experience. Um, in future, if there is anything for us, please do let us know. We'll be
Yes,
certainly try to help you. And um, is there anything else you want to share?
I'm very thankful to you, CLRI, that I got a placement in a very good company. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Tanuja. You have a wonderful day.
Thank you, ma'am.